friends, this is Kaushal Kishore. Welcome to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is one of the unique and practical method to become a speaker of English. This would provide you one of the best opportunity to become a speaker of English. Now, being as a trainer, I have been developed this program, which is on the base of workshop. For the last 20 years, I have been taught for the spoken English trainee to become a native speaker of English. And this is really one of the helpful, unique, creative, and practical learning method to become a native speaker of English.
Future tense, Bhavishya shall have and will have to. Chart of person and number. Person Vyakti, singular number Ekvachan, plural number Bahuvachan. First person Pratham Vyakti, I may shall have to. I shall have to go to the market. मुझे बाजार जाना होगा. Plural, we, हम लोग shall have to. We will have to go to the market. हमें बाजार जाना होगा. Second person द्वितीय व्यक्ति, you or your, तुम्हें या आपको. Will have to. You will have to go to the market. तुम्हें या आपको बाजार जाना होगा. Plural, you, your, तुम लोगों या आप लोगों. Will have to. You will have to go to the market. तुम लोगों या आप लोगों को बाजार जाना होगा. Third person तृतीय व्यक्ति, singular. He वह male, she वह female, it यह little, this near यह, that far यह, name नाम had to go to the market. Plural, they वे लोग, those वो लोग, these ये लोग had to go to the market. Structure of sentence. Subject plus shall or will plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. Subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. Shall or will plus subject plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. Shall or will plus subject plus not plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus shall or will plus subject plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. WH word plus shall or will plus subject plus not plus have plus to plus V1 plus object. English and Hindi translation. 1. I shall have to go to the market. मुझे बाजार जाना होगा. I shall not have to go to the market. मुझे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Shall I have to go to the market? क्या मुझे बाजार जाना होगा? Shall I not have to go to the market? क्या मुझे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How shall I have to go to the market? मुझे बाजार जाना होगा. How shall I not have to go to the market? मुझे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 2. We shall have to go to the market. हमें बाजार जाना होगा. We shall not have to go to the market. हमें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Shall we have to go to the market? क्या हमें बाजार जाना होगा? Shall we not have to go to the market? क्या हमें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How shall we have to go to the market? हमें कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How shall we not have to go to the market? हमें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 3. You will have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा. You will not have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will you have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा? Will you not have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will you have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will you not have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 4. He will have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा. He will not have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will he have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा? Will he not have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will he have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will he not have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 5. She will have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा. She will not have to go to the market. तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will she have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार जाना होगा? Will she not have to go to the market? क्या तुम्हें बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will she have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will she not have to go to the market? तुम्हें कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 6. It will have to go to the market. Add name or situation. इसे बाजार जाना होगा. Add name or situation. It will not have to go to the market. इसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will it have to go to the market? क्या इसे बाजार जाना होगा? Will it not have to go to the market? क्या इसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will it have to go to the market? इसे कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will it not have to go to the market? इसे कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 7. This will have to go to the market. Add name or situation. इसको बाजार जाना होगा. Add name or situation. This will not have to go to the market. इसको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will this have to go to the market? क्या इसको बाजार जाना होगा? Will this not have to go to the market? क्या इसको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will this have to go to the market? इसको कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will this not have to go to the market? इसको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 8. That will have to go to the market. Add name or situation. उसको बाजार जाना होगा. Add name or situation. That will not have to go to the market. उसको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will that have to go to the market? क्या उसको बाजार जाना होगा? Will that not have to go to the market? क्या उसको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will that have to go to the market? उसको कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will that not have to go to the market? उसको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 9. Ram will have to go to the market. Add name or situation. Ram को बाजार जाना होगा. Add name or situation. Ram will not have to go to the market. Ram को बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will Ram have to go to the market? क्या राम को बाजार जाना होगा? Will Ram not have to go to the market? क्या राम को बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will Ram have to go to the market? राम को कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will Ram not have to go to the market? राम को कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 10. They will have to go to the market. उनको बाजार जाना होगा. They will not have to go to the market. उनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will they have to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार जाना होगा? Will they not have to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will they have to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will they not have to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 11. These will have to go to the market. उनको बाजार जाना होगा. These will not have to go to the market. उनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will these have to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार जाना होगा? Will these not have to go to the market? क्या उनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will these have to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will these not have to go to the market? उनको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? 12. Those will have to go to the market. इनको बाजार जाना होगा. This will not have to go to the market. इनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा. Will those have to go to the market? क्या इनको बाजार जाना होगा? Will those not have to go to the market? क्या इनको बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? How will those have to go to the market? इनको कैसे बाजार जाना होगा? How will those not have to go to the market? इनको कैसे बाजार नहीं जाना होगा? Mouth translation to practice of speaking loudly. Total 72 sentences to practice of speaking 10 times loudly. Workshop practice exercise on verb to be, shall have or will have. Hindi mother tongue and English translation. राम को दिल्ली जाना होगा. Ram will have to go to Delhi. तुम्हें यह काम करना होगा. You will have to do this work. तुम्हें परीक्षा देनी होगी. You will have to appear the examination. उसे सच बोलना होगा. He will have to speak the truth. मुझे पत्र लिखना है. I have to write a letter. आपको काम करना पड़ता है. You have to work. राम को मुंबई जाना है. Ram has to go to Mumbai. भारतीय किसानों को कड़ी मेहनत करनी है. Indian farmers have to work hard. उन लोगों को देश की सेवा करनी है. They have to serve the country. मुझे काम नहीं करना है. I have not to work. उसे नहीं खेलना है. He has not to play. तुम्हें काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You will not have to do work. उन लोगों को वहाँ नहीं ठहरना है. They have not to stay there. मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. I have not to do anything. क्या राम को पढ़ना पड़ता है? Has Ram to read? क्या मुझे काम करना पड़ता है? Have you to work? क्या मुझे नहीं खाना है? Have I not to eat? उन्हें बच्चों को क्यों पढ़ाना पड़ता है? Why have they to teach the children? तुम्हें क्या नहीं करना पड़ता है? Why have you not to do? सीता को कपड़े क्यों धोने पड़ते हैं? Why has Sita to wash clothes?